Hey guys, welcome back to 2-Minute Coder. So we're doing the first LeetCode problem called toSum. So given an array of integers nums and an integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. So basically we have to find the two numbers which add up to target and return their indices. So in the first one we can see that 2 plus 7 equals 9, and we return its indices. So basically the logic of what we're going to do here is we're going to iterate through nums, calculate the difference of target minus the particular number. If the difference is present in our hash map, then we return the index of where that difference is and the current index that we are on. So notice how I said hash map, so we have to make a hash map of integer. We'll call it our previous map is new hash map. So our key is going to be the difference and the value is going to be the index of that difference. So let's start with our for loop. Int I is equal to 0, I less than nums dot length, and I plus plus, right? So let's make a number so it's easier to read. Nums at index I, oops, and our difference is going to be target minus this number. So what happens in our first iteration? We don't have anything, so we have to put in our previous or hash map the number as the key and its index as the value, right? So in our first iteration, 9 minus 2 is not present in our previous map because we haven't put any values in it. But we know it's 7, right? We as humans know it's 7. But that's only going to come in the second iteration where we already have 2 and 0 in our hash map. And we go to this second iteration where 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 2 is in our hash map, so we can find its index by getting its value and then also returning the index of 7, right? So let's write that logic. So if prevmap dot contains key of the difference, then we return a new int array which is going to be of prevmap dot get difference, so getting the value that we already put in here and the current index, right? And if nothing, if our for loop doesn't run or we don't get the answer here, then we'll return a new int here, but it's going to be empty. So let's run this. Yep, all cases passed. Right, so that was LeetCode problem number 1, toSum. If you guys liked it, then please subscribe and watch out for the next video.